In a peaceful village, a young boy named Armand visited a traveling circus with his father. Among the many wonders, what caught his attention the most were the elephants. These massive creatures stood calmly, each tied by a thin rope to a small wooden post. Armand's eyes widened in disbelief. "Baba," he asked softly, "why don't the elephants break the rope and run away?" His father smiled and led him to the elephant trainer. The trainer bent down to Armand's level and said, "When these elephants are very young, we use this same rope to tie them. At that age, it is enough to hold them. As they grow older and stronger, they still believe the rope can hold them. They never try to break free because their mind tells them they can't." Armand stood silently, the words echoing in his heart. Years passed. Armand grew up carrying the memory of that moment, but life, like the rope, tied him down with fear. He failed in school once, so he stopped trying. He lost one job interview and never applied again. Like the elephant, he believed he was stuck. One day, feeling broken, he sat near a river and saw a butterfly struggling to come out of its cocoon. It struggled, paused, then struggled again. After a long battle, it finally broke free and flew into the sky. Tears welled in Armand's eyes. If the butterfly never gave up, why should I? That evening, he looked in the mirror and whispered, "The rope in my life is only in my mind." From that day, Armand began trying again, with heart, with courage, and with belief. Slowly, his life changed. Many of us are tied down by invisible ropes of doubt, fear, and past failure. But the truth is, we are stronger than we believe. Sometimes all it takes to change your life is one moment of courage to break free.